NoRaveSell.com is marketed as an online fashion store offering stylish clothing at heavily discounted prices. The product photos look polished and the promotions can seem like a great bargain. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, many online clothing stores offer fashionable apparel at competitive prices, and attractive discounts alone don't mean a store is unreliable. What it does well: trendy clothing selection. The store offers a range of dresses, tops, outerwear, and other fashion items for different styles. Competitive pricing. Frequent sales and discounts can make the products appear like good value, where the hype falls apart. Product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and fit may not always match what the promotional photos suggest. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, measurements can vary between items, so checking the size chart is important. Shipping may take longer than expected. Delivery times can depend on where the products are shipped from. So, should you buy from NoRaveSell.com? Short answer, maybe, but research first. If you like the styles and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't let the marketing photos and discounts be the only reason you decide to buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.